How to send messages on TikTok without following. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok. And then go to the profile of the person that you want to message. Say, for example, this one right here. Once you are on the profile, click on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen, and at the bottom you will see three options. One of them is send message, so click on it, and here you will be able to send a message to this person right here without following him or her. So that was it for this video. That's how you can send messages on TikTok without following. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.